Hi, I'm Perry Warren.
And I'm Jerry Walton. Welcome to our welding lab here at Prosser Career Education Center. Here at Prosser, you will learn many different techniques and processes of welding that the industry uses today. Much of our welding education consists of start to finish. We take you all the way from knowing nothing all the way up to having certifications and be ready for the industry.
In this program, you'll get certifications in SMAW, stick welding, FCAW, TIG welding, and your OSHA 10.
Here at Prosser, the welding program has 27 dual credit hours through Ivy Tech.
Also in our welding program, we have what is called a work-based learning program. We do job shadowing, externship, where we give the students an opportunity to go out in industry and see how the industry is. If you have any questions, check out our website.
We look forward to seeing you in the fall.